Hello, my name is Ludovic Drapeau. I work in after-sales service from KUHN Bureau. Today, I will present you the Centramix installation. This video is divided in 3 parts. In the first time, the mechanical part. In the second, the electric part. And finally, I will explain how to check all the functions for the Centramix. The machine arrives in 3 parts. You have the mixer wagon. After, you have the electric motor with the support and the electric box. Inside the electric box, you have the weighting system, the alarm, the touch screen, and all the documentation. In first, you place the machine on the stable, flat ground. In first, you dismount this plate in order to fix the machine. In the same thing in the other side. You disassemble the wheel support with the 2 bolts to fix the machine on the ground. For the transport, the electric cylinder is dismounted. You put the electric cylinder like this. When the job is done, you put the electric motor part with 6 bolts by side and connect the coupling with 2 bolts. Finally, you put the electric box on the support for the electric motor and assemble this with 4 bolts. You have 2 counter knives in the Centramix. 1 connector by counter knife. The longer cable is for the rear counter knife. To connect the cable, you need a screwdriver. For the door, it's the same thing. Just one difference, you have 2 connectors for electric cylinder. It's not possible to reverse the connector because it's not the same. You assemble like this. For the electric motor, you connect only 1 cable. You connect in this order. For the electric motor, you have another cable. This cable is for the temperature sensor. The brown wire is connected in 25 and the blue in 26 connector X2. For the electric general supply, you connect 1 cable with 4 wires. For the weighting system, you have 2 cables. The cable who have 4 wires is for the junction box. And the second, the black cable, is mounted under the electric box, connector XC4. You have all the information inside the operator's manual, page 60. For the touch screen, you have 2 cables. The cables are connected inside the electric box. You can see you have the number for the wire. Finally, you connect the alarm under the electric box, connector XC3. In first, you turn the primary button. If it's OK, you have a green light. You press your finger during 3 seconds. After, you touch the manual control. In this menu, you control the different directions for the function. It's possible to control the opening of the door, like this. It's possible to test the counter knife by counter knife. It's possible to test the good direction for the auger. You touch the low button, medium button and high button. If the direction is wrong, you must change the position of the wire inside the electric box. You have this information page 2 in the electric shim. When all of this is done, you are able to work with the Centramix.